You ready to take them behind the scenes for a house flip transformation?
Let's go.
Let's go. For those of you looking to get out of the newbie zone, let's go, baby. It's time to rock. So you can see this house, another white product that we put out. I love white houses, man. I got a thing for them. But the white with the golden oak trim, this gives it a really nice, clean, modern, almost a farmhouse type of look. What do you think?
Looks good.
So out of the last houses we done, we had the white and black, white and gold, or a black and golden oak type of look. What's your favorite?
Well, I don't know. I haven't seen the finished product on the black.
You guys wait for the black house. I'm going to be talking about it till it's done. I really like the white and gold. It's a good look.
Okay. So on the outside, I think we paint this front door black right here and yard cleanup and some pine straw.
Agreed.
I think the outside looks good.
Are we keeping the screen door?
I
mean, it's in good shape.
Yeah, then it's fine. Yeah.
I just like, if it was a black door, it gives it a little bit more pop, a little bit more curb appeal.
Just more color. Well,
if we had to replace the windows, I would have loved to put black windows here. That's the only thing we're missing, right? Like the white house, golden oak with some black windows.
now these are wood windows, though. You could have painted the frames.
Well, Karina reached out to me and she was like, hey, it's going to take me a really long time to paint these blacks. I'm like, just go ahead and keep them white. I don't want to slow you down. Look at you multitasking. She's opening up a door and texting at the same time. I don't know how women do that. Ooh, look at this one. This one's kind of a pretty one.
Yeah, it's good. Do you see what I mean, though, about the fans?
Oh, yeah.
Like, they're just, I'm like, why does he keep buying these really small fans?
We got the wee itty bitty 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 blades. Just the wee ones. Yeah, it looks like, you know, those little toy planes growing up, the tiny planes with a propeller head. It looks like it's the little plane that was trying the little plane that could. So this is another entry-level house. We're staying away from the luxury flips, man. Like anything above 300K after repair value in this market, stay away from it. It's so much harder to sell based on debt and the current cost of money. So when we're finding these houses that are 250 and below, there's still a pretty big demand for housing, especially in the southeastern United States.
I need the dishwasher mounted. I need a plate down there covering under the thing.
Okay.
And just keep talking and I'm here to work.
That's what we do. We've got a running joke. It's kind of funny. Like it actually came up at a meetup that I spoke at, but we're like, yeah, Ben just walks around with his phone, recording videos all day, you know, while everyone else is working. It's kind of a funny joke, man. But my comeback to that is, hey, if we're not bringing visibility to us and we're not bringing in more houses, more deals, more opportunities, then none of us eat. So put me in front of that camera, man. I'm gonna bring in some deals.
So fix the dishwasher. I need it mounted and I need the kick plate at the bottom.
Mount dishwasher and add kick plate at bottom.
I need a GFCI outlet.
That.
I mean, that one's fine. You need that one. I do like this area. Oh, we gotta fix this door.
It just needs weather stripping.
Yeah, but what are you going to do about the gap at the bottom?
Weather strips? Yeah. You put it on the bottom end through the things.
Well, you want to take a picture of the light shining through and make sure he does it?
Yeah. He's doing that too. So Caroline and this one, he's installing the crawl space thing. So this area, we're standing in what used to be the garage, right? So by casing in the garage, and we'll show you the outside of the house, we literally bought us like 350, almost 400 square feet, which if you look at the comps in the area at 150 or so a square foot, we bought ourselves like $35,000 worth of equity just by casing in the garage, right? And you look around the block, almost every single other house has already cased in their garage as well. So we're just keeping up with the neighborhood. But this was a strategic approach. When I bought this house, I'm like, hey, if I can buy us some square footage, I'm looking at the comps in the area, and that's going to help us to maximize some value here. So we're standing in the garage. Bedroom number 5. How do you fit 5 bedrooms in a 1,400 square foot house? You got to be a genius.
I don't know if I would count this 5 bedrooms. I would say 4 in an office because one room doesn't have a closet and it is rather small because we needed to add another bedroom.
I'm still asking her to put it online as 5 bedrooms.
I don't care.
When you see this listing on Zillow, you better believe it's going to say 5 bedrooms. Whoop! They fixed the electrical as well. Not bad, man.
Hey, is there a way we can get this window to not fall? You see the crack in you see it at the top? It's just falling on the outside. It needs to be pushed up and locked together, maybe.
Well, they do say if there's a will, there's a way. Let's make a bet. Let's make a bet publicly on YouTube, on social media. What do you think this house sells for?
How you gonna put me on the spot? I don't know. I haven't looked it up.
We got to make a bet. Shoot from the hip.
But I haven't looked it up yet. I mean, I have, but it's been a long time. I don't remember.
She's acting all brand new. We own a house and she hasn't looked it up.
I've looked it up. It's been a while because I did it before we flipped it. Like $250. I don't know.
$250?
I don't know.
Hey, if I make $250 on this house, I'll be doing jumping jacks.
Well, you added square footage and you have recently sold. Okay. $220.
I'll go $219.
How do you? That's not fair.
See what I did? That's how we roll.
That's how he knows I'm right because you see how he only went $1,000 less than me.
That doesn't mean you're right. You tried going to $250.
And then I remembered what neighborhood we were in.
They did a good one here.
Yeah, I actually.
What is
I'm
it?
actually
Transition?
okay. It's something.
Yeah, I hate with the LVP sometimes.
All right, this one looks good. Oh, yeah, this one's ready for cleaning. Yeah, I'd say this one's ready for cleaning. I mean, we got to put the doors on and then those things, but they said that they're coming back on Saturday to finish those things up.
Super.
And then Shirley will be here Monday. Look at that nice new unit.
What brand is this one? Is he still rocking with the Goodmans? No.
You know what would have looked better back here, Ben?
What?
If they painted the steps black.
Yeah. And
I mean, I'm not going to ask them to change it, but...
And the door black?
Yeah. I just say same back here, yard cleanup and some pine straw, just where it's ugly right there, but...
Yeah. Can those things just get ripped down? What are these?
They're old telephone lines, but you'd have to have an electrician take it down.
Why?
I don't know if they're live or whatever, and neither do you.
Telephone lines being live?
Well, it's electrical wire for telephone. So that's a question you'll have to ask.
Ian.
I looked at it when I was here. There was a huge hole right here. My whole foot would go through. You can see where they fixed it. They fixed it.
They handled it. They handled the bee's knees.
There's a bug. Step on it. Step on it by your foot. Behind you. He's crawling fast. He's crawling fast under the dishwasher. What kind of bug was it?
I don't know why she always asks me to kill animals, man.
This is my favorite floor that we put in houses. This is my favorite one. The door works efficiently. I hope it doesn't come up that somebody, I mean, it works great, but the handle's missing. It might come up
on an inspection report.
I might have to see if we can figure out a handle situation.
That door itself would cost us $500.
$500? Where are you shopping? Because I want to buy it.
I don't know. Goodwill?
Somewhere. Anyway, this house looks good. Could they mud that a little better?
Oh yeah, that'd be a good idea.
And it's cracked right there too.
What was that from?
I don't know. Will you text it, like take a picture of it and see if they can fix that before Shirley comes? Maybe they can do that on Saturday when they come fix just mud it and paint it one more time.
Yep.
We'll mud it, sand it, paint it.
Mud it, sand it, paint it. We mud it, sand it, paint it. Mud it, sand it, paint it. Buy low, sell high. Mud it, sand it, paint it. Mud it, sand it, paint it. That's how we roll.
Yeah, let's get this one cleaned and listed and on to the next.
Time to rock. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Hit the bell icon so you can stay up to date with the new projects that come to market. You want to get in the game? Hit me.